Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do December monthly reading for Libra air sign. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see recent past Libra. Nine of Swords, Ace of Cups, Queen of Swords. I think in recent past, one person in this connection is in anxiety, depression. They are thinking about their person a lot, especially at the night times. It could be you or your person, and it could be vice versa, because they love the other person a lot. Ace of Cups is here, but something is happened between both of you. That's why one person in this connection feeling like this way. And yeah, for some you maybe cut your person off, that's why your person feeling like this, or your person maybe cut you off, then you be like this. Energy could be vice versa, but one person stand by their power in this connection, and this person is very straightforward. There is some harsh communication or truth coming out. Some communication is happened between both of you already. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but someone is in like depression in past. It could be you or your person. Let's see what is going on your connection right now. Five of Cups, Three of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, for some it could be third party situation. For some there is separation due to third party. Yeah, Five of Cups with Three of Cups. Definitely for some there is separation between both of you. That's why one person feeling very sad and one person stand by their power. Five of Cups is here. Yeah, this person feeling very sad for the separation. I think it could be you, Libra, feeling very sad. And you love your person. I think you want reconciliation. Definitely your person coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, it is very slow moving. They are coming back, but very slow moving energy. Lot of water energy is here. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Separation, coming back. Let's see some more. Four of Cups, Knight of Wands, Seven of Wands. So I think Four of Cups. Yeah, you are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person, or your person may be feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Four of Cups. In past, maybe he did not accept the cup of love. He doesn't accept the cup of love offered by you, but they are now feeling regret, I think, or you may be feeling regret for missed opportunity. Definitely Knight of Wands, some comeback, someone coming back to you. They are very passionate about you. And Seven of Wands. Yeah, I think you don't want to give up on this connection, or your person don't want to give up on this connection. Energy could be vice versa, and take what resonate. I think here Knights, what is the issue regarding Knights is they are in and out of your life. So there is no stability in commitment wise. So before taking any decision, think twice, because Knights are in and out. They are not kings. Okay. So Seven of Wands. One person in this connection acting like defense also for some. Okay guys. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future action towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going in your connection. So Libra, your person current feelings towards you. The Lover. Lovers. Queen of Cups. Five of Wands. Yeah. I think definitely they are ready to fight for your attention. Five of Wands, fighting for your attention. I think you maybe have one or more person They are fighting for your attention, I am getting. Yeah, I think it's your person. They don't want to give up on this connection. Definitely they have strong feelings for you, Queen of Cups and the Lovers. Definitely they love you and there is love between both of you. You or your person could be Gemini or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely they have strong emotions, Queen of Cups. They want to share their love to you. They want to express their love to you. But there are some disturbances, some fighting between both of you, Five of Wands. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Four of Wands. Seven of Wands. 2 times Seven of Wands. Yeah. I already told you it's your person. Six of Wands. Wow. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely they want this celebration with you, reunion with you. They want reconciliation and you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Definitely Four of Wands is celebration card, commitment card. Definitely they want you back. And they don't want to give up on this connection at any cost, because Seven of Wands is Six of Wands. They want success in this connection until they don't want to give up. Yeah, you have to give another chance to your person. They don't want to give up on this connection at any cost. I think the one person who feeling very sad in this connection may be your person, and you stand by your power for some. But your person coming back for reconciliation, they don't want to give up on this connection. Yeah. They want success in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Hanged Man. Nine of Wands. Six of Wands. Three of Wands. Yeah. So here again, lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So what I am saying here, definitely, I think you are waiting. Libra, you are waiting for your person. Definitely you turn your back from your person in past and you are waiting for to come towards you. They have to make first move. You are thinking about they are coming towards you and they have to make first move towards you, because this time you don't want to make any move. For some, definitely I think one person in this connection is spiritually awakening, the Hanged Woman, or one person may be stuck. It could be you. I think the one person, for some, Nine of Swords energy could be you, Libra, because you are stuck at your person right now, but they are coming back. They are waiting for the right time. Three of Wands. Definitely here the waiting game is going between both of you. Definitely your person wants success with you. They don't want to give up on this connection. Nine of Wands, sometimes, yeah, they don't want to give up until what they want get. And here what I'm saying, this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Yeah, definitely for some there is reconciliation. Six of Wands to Three of Wands, but it will take some time because waiting is going. I think your person, maybe if your person stuck, definitely they will make a move towards you, but it will take some time. Okay, please be patient. So let's see, Libra, your overall energy for the month. Yeah, I already told you, you may be stuck. Yeah, Two of Swords, Chariot and Seven of Cups. You may be at some confusion and Chariot. Definitely you want this connection or don't want this connection. You are at some confusion, but at finally you choose, yeah, you want this connection, but you are stuck. You are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision and stuck. You are stuck right now. Yeah, you are stuck at that energy, separation energy, whatever. Please come out of that energy, because your person is coming back. Definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, they want a reunion with you, because Four of Wands with Six of Wands. Definitely they want success in this connection, Libra. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Queen of Wands, King of Swords, Knight of Swords and Ace of Swords. Lot of air energy, communication. I think your person will message you or contact you. Definitely communication, truth coming out, honest communication. This time they will express their feelings to you, Libra. Yeah, because Swords, air energy is here, Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you, and King of Swords. This time their communication will be honest. Definitely they want to be honest with you, and they want to express their true feelings to you. And Queen of Wands, they are very, very passionate about you. Yeah, they are also very strong. They stand by their power also. Okay, yeah, they are strongly determined that they don't want to give up on this connection, Libra. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. Bye.